inspired by it. Quite often you can ask the guest lecturer questions which really, you're talking to people that are professionals within that field that you're interested in, and that really opens up those sort of answers that you've been looking for that you can't necessarily get by just looking online.
And that's what's really good about Industry Week is that, for someone in my position, I don't know where I want to end up. And it's a really good opportunity to, have a look at live performance in hardware, have a look at film for music and TV. It's like, oh, there's so many cool things that I can do. But
I really enjoyed the sync panel from this week's Industry Week, mainly because I've always been a bit I don't think I want to go into games, but from that panel talk, it's definitely opened my mind up to what my career could be. So yeah, I'm very excited for the future.
The highlight of the week was probably, for me as well, Cyanide Sound. It was really interesting to hear how he went from basically nothing and just having a normal 9-to-5 job to making it his full-time career in like audio and sound systems and stuff like that.
I think it's been massively insightful. I mean, getting people in that are in the industry, so helpful. Getting feedback. I think the A&R session especially was, really eye-opening, and also I find it interesting hearing other people's work and sort of integrating with years above is something we don't really get to do, and I think Industry Week's really good for that.